How have you found it? Because I know that you're more of an extrovert. So how have you sort of dealt with that during all of this?
I just make sure like I have contact with people like through video call or through phone call every single day. A couple weeks back, one of my girlfriends had a Zoom birthday party, which was so fun. So it was really interesting because like I didn't know everyone on the call, and like you had to have like one collective conversation. It was kind of like you're in a big circle and you're all just talking. But it was really cool. Okay, so a tip is if you try to sing happy birthday, everyone will be completely out of sync, like off from each other. And
it's like in school where you do those rounds. It's like, don't.
So now that you and your husband are both working from home, how has your dynamics changed?
So before, like every day before he goes to work, when he's going to the office, because I work from home like full time, we would hug and kiss goodbye. So now even when we're sort of going into our different rooms, we still like hug and kiss. Like,
I love that! That's so cute!
I feel like things like that in a time like this, like you would stop doing it, and then maybe when you've sort of conditioned yourself to just be like, okay, like see ya, then who knows, like maybe we wouldn't do that anymore then. So I like sweet patterns like that going.
Yeah. Oh, that's so sweet. I love that.
I would love to hear, I know that you are in a long distance relationship. So how has that been for you during this time?
It's been a bit more difficult in terms of me not being able to go see him. So our trips to see each other are getting canceled, and the thing in long distance relationships that I feel helps so much is having a date where you're like, yeah, but I'm gonna see you like on this day, like so you have something to look forward to. And right now it's like we don't know when that date is. Like it could be a year from now. So that's a bit hard. But in terms of our relationship, it's pretty much the same. So we've been like getting more creative with our virtual dates. We've finally figured out how to watch movies together. We use this plugin called Cast, and we can screen share and we can watch movies together, and there's like a little chat box, but we usually video call at the same time so we can talk and whatever and see each other's reactions to certain scenes and stuff.
What? So you'll be like watching it on your laptop and then you'll have your phones on.
Yeah.
Oh, I like that.
Yeah. The other night we had a night of math and riddles. We're such nerds, but basically we just we went to this site, I think it's called like Brain Teasers or something like that, and it will randomly generate math problems and riddles. Like growing up I hated math, but now that I don't have to do it and it's just like for fun, like it's kind of nice. Like it's kind of fun.
You know what? Last night, as we're running, we actually were doing multiple challenges for each other and being like, okay, what is 36 times 7?
Well, you gotta do the double digits though. No, like 36 times 77 or something. Like make it a bit challenging.
So how it's worked is that both of us have our separate sort of workspaces, and then we'll come together at lunchtime, and then in the evenings we'll usually spend time together just watching a show or something, or I'll do my puzzle and he'll watch TV, or we'll figure something out. Yeah.
I like that you guys are so disciplined and like you have like your own workspaces. And it actually reminds me of how you're not supposed to do anything like in your bedroom, like on your bed, except for like sleep, because it actually disrupts like your associations with bedtime and sleeping. So then it causes you disruptions for your sleep.
Especially right now when we don't have the luxury of going to work or going to a cafe or like going to different places for different things. I think that's really important to know. Well, thank you so much, Vanessa. This has been an absolute pleasure. I love chatting with you, and we should definitely do this again. So
yeah, thanks so much for having me.
Yeah, totally. Do visit Vanessa's Instagram. It's Vanessa_Ainsley. You will love her content for sure. Ladies, I will see you next week. If you're watching this on YouTube, do head over to Ask the Coaches. It's a Facebook group. We would love to have you there. It's a great group for women where we have a daily dose of inspiration and encouragement. And if you're watching this on the Ask the Coaches Facebook group, do like this. You can download and share it with your friends, and you can also invite your friends to join this group.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
Merrily, merrily, life is but a dream. We did it!
Yay! What did you do in your call today? Oh, we sang row, row, row your boat as a round.